Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to use the text function in Excel. It's very useful while working in Excel. So first we will extract the day from this date. So let's use text function. Text value is this one and my format will be, if you want day number then we have to put only day like this. So it will give me day number like 11th day. If on day name then we have to put D 3 times like this. Same for the month. Text comma double quote, and there is some issue. This will give me month name. If you want month number then just put M one time like this. So for year, text comma double quote YY. This will give me year, full year. So if you want only 2 digit of the year, last 2 digit, then use YY only like this. It will give me year in 2 digit. For time, use text comma and time format like hour colon minute colon second. Let me take hour twice. This give me time format like 2 hours 39 minutes and 10 seconds. This is the time. If we need only hour then use text this comma and hour. This is 2 hour. For minute use text this comma m. For second, text value format will be S. Okay, and for AM PM use text value double quote put to AM slash PM. This will give me AM or PM, whichever is there in this date and time. So if I change this to PM, then this will automatically change to PM. And we I have one more example. Sorry, I have one more example. Like if you want to combine like date and employee ID to make a unique ID, so use text. If we use if we concatenate or join it like this equal to this and this, then it will give me numbers only. It will not give me date format, but I want to combine it date and employee ID. So we have to use text function here. Text, my value is this and my format will be dd dash dash yy double quote, and let me put a space before the date. So double quote space double quote and my employee ID. Let me drag this to here. So now it shows clearly date and employee ID. So this was all about the text function, and if you like the video please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.